Hey everyone, now that a lot of you understand the importance of term plan in financial planning, the most common question I receive is, Sahil, what is the right life cover for term plan? This is certainly a very important question because today you might think that a term plan of 1 crore rupees is enough for your family. But due to inflation, the value of this 1 crore keep reducing. Simply because everything is getting expensive right from your grocery bills, home rent, travel costs, child education and so on. In fact, considering a 6% inflation rate in India, the real value of 1 crore rupees in 15 years is just 41 lakh. In 20 years, 1 crore today is worth only 31 lakh rupee. So if your family needs money after 15-20 years, 1 crore that looks amazing today won't be enough. That's the reason in today's video I want to discuss what is an ideal life cover for you. Should you take 1 crore, 2 crore or 5 crore of life cover? Then I also cover 3 best term plans that you can consider for higher life cover of 2 to 5 crore. Alright, let's get started. First of all, let us figure out what parameters you need to check before deciding your life cover. So first parameter is monthly or yearly expense. One of the biggest reasons before taking a term plan is that in case of your unfortunate absence, your dependents can live a dignified life. So you need to ensure that your term plan should at least cover the monthly expenses of your family. For instance, if the monthly expense is 50,000 rupee, yearly it would be 6 lakh. To cover this 6 lakh expense, you need to at least have 1 crore of life cover. So that even if your dependent makes an FD, they can get 6 to 7% a year, which is 6 to 7 lakh rupee. However, the catch is that today's 50,000 is not going to be enough for the next 10-20 years. That's where you need to consider inflation and keep a financial cushion. So if you take a term plan of 2 crore rupee, it would fetch 10 to 12 lakh a year, and if you keep it in FD at let's say 5 to 6% interest post tax, then probably that would be good enough for a person with today's expense of 50,000 rupee. But if your current expenses are let's say 1 lakh to 2 lakh a month, you may need to take a term plan of at least 5 crore rupees. Then second factor is number and age of dependent. Since you take the term plan for your family that include your wife and kids, you need to take into account the current age of your kids and then analyze the years remaining for them to become financially independent. Thus, the younger your dependents, the higher your cover amount. Then third factor is financial liabilities. A lot of people make the mistake of ignoring financial liabilities while calculating the term plan. For instance, if you have a home loan of 50 lakh rupee, then you should add it in your term plan cover. Because in your absence, you need to ensure that the loan does not add financial burden to your family. In case you are still confused, there's a term insurance calculator on Ditto platform that you can use. So when you visit Ditto insurance website, just click on life insurance and then click on term insurance calculator. Here you need to just enter some of the details. For example, your age. So let's say we enter the age as 30 years. Then we need to enter your protection duration. So this is the age till which you want your coverage. So let's assume we want coverage till 70 years. There you go. And then you need to enter your monthly expense. Let's assume a monthly expense of 50,000 rupee. And then you need to enter the outstanding loan. Here we are assuming 0. Just click on calculate. There you go. So they recommend a cover of 3.3 crore. Now here again you can go through all the details, the reason behind it, and then you can play around with it. So for example, instead of 70 years, let's assume you need your coverage till 60 years. In that case, if you click on calculate, it would become 2.1 crore. And again, of course, if you let's say have an outstanding loan of 50 lakh, in that case, you would need a cover of 2.6 crore. So this is how you can enter these simple fields and calculate the right life cover that you need for your term plan. So the first term plan is HDFC Click to Protect Super. Since this plan is part of HDFC Life Insurance, you get multiple benefits. First of all, there's industry best claim settlement ratio of 99.2% against the industry average of 97%. Second, they have industry lowest complaint volume of 2 complaints per 10,000 claim registered against the industry median of 17 complaints. And third, they have a good amount settlement ratio. Now, amount settlement means that the amount company has settled against the claim it has received. For instance, if the claim received is 1 lakh and if company has settled 90,000 rupee, then amount settlement ratio is 90%. So amount settlement is also equally important like claim settlement. HDFC Life has an amount settlement ratio of 87.3% against the industry average of 87%. So that is decent, neither too great nor too bad. On top of this, you get the brand and credibility of HDFC, which in my opinion is very important because we take life insurance just once in our life for the protection of our family. So we want to associate with a brand that has very high credibility, and HDFC fits into all these criteria. Although the only negative part is that their premiums are on the higher side. Now if you look at the specific feature of HDFC Click to Protect Super, first of all there's an add-on accidental death benefit where you get an extra protection for accidental death. So here add-on means that it is not a compulsive feature. You can add the feature on top of your term plan. Next inbuilt feature is zero cost option where Click to Protect Super plan will return all your premium if you forgo your policy before maturity during a period specified by the insurer. It means you get all your premium back while also being protected under the term plan during this time. Next interesting add-on is waive off of premium in case of permanent disability due to accidental or critical illness. The next add-on feature is this term plan gives you an option to increase your life cover with inflation. I think this is a great feature. Then next add-on is payouts in the event of total permanent disability. So here you get a monthly income or a large lump sum in the event you are disabled totally for life. Again, a great feature. Apart from this, you get decent critical illness benefit as an add-on where Click to Protect Super will pay out the benefit 15 days after the diagnosis is confirmed. Then you get inbuilt feature of decent terminal illness benefit where Click to Protect gives you an option to receive a portion of your cover if you are diagnosed with terminal illness. Then you have an add-on of top-up option as life stage benefit. Again, a great feature where you have the option to increase your cover during significant life event, that is when you get married, when you have kids, etc. Second plan is Max Life Smart Total Elite Protection. With Max Life, you get multiple benefits like one of the highest claim settlement ratio of 99.5% against industry average of 97%, good complaint ratio of 7.3 complaint per 10,000 claim registered against industry median of 17 complaint, and third is excellent amount settlement ratio of 95.5% as against the industry average of 87%. Now if you look at the specific feature of Max Life Smart Total Elite Protection Plan, first add-on feature is good critical illness benefit with prompt payout of 14 days after the diagnosis is confirmed. Then option of payout from total cover or on top, where you can use critical illness benefit from total term cover available or avail critical illness benefit on top of the term cover available. Then you have an add-on feature of accidental death benefit, zero cost option where you get all your premium back while also being protected under the term plan during this time. Then you have an add-on of premium waived off after permanent disability due to accident or critical illness, as well as payout in the event of total permanent disability. Some of the features that are lacking include no top-up option, so you can't increase your total term cover after you buy the policy. Then no option to increase your cover with inflation, and you can't recover your premium after policy matures. In case you are wondering how to do the comparison between your HDFC Click to Protect Super versus Max Life Smart Total Elite Protection, you can check the comparison tool on Ditto platform. Just hover over Insurance tab, click on Compare Term Policies, then select HDFC, then click to Protect Super, then select Max, Smart Total Elite Protection and click on Compare. There you go. Now you can compare both the policies across the important features like claim settlement ratio, where both are top notch here, then amount settlement ratio, here Max is much better, then annual business where both are big entity, then complaint per 10,000 claims settled, here SDFC has best numbers, then both plans have zero cost option, waiver of premium, accidental death benefit, total permanent disability, terminal illness is available, then increasing cover option is only available with SDFC. Then you can go through the detailed analysis and conclusion from their site. Then third term plan is Tata AIA Maharaksha Supreme. It is an affordable term plan that offers pretty much most things that you want in a good term plan. So Tata AIA has a very good claim settlement ratio of 98.9% against the industry average of 97%. Second, they have a very good amount settlement ratio of 92.7% as against the industry average of 87%. And third, again, they have industry lowest complaint volume of 3 complaints per 10,000 claim registered against the industry median of 17 complaints. Although the catch is that this plan is available to people earning more than 15 lakh per annum who choose a cover higher than 2 crore rupees. Now, if you look at the specific feature of Tata AIA Maharaksha Supreme, it includes good critical illness benefit. Although you have payout on top only, it does not include accelerated payout. Then it has an add-on of accidental death benefit, premiums waived after permanent disability due to accident or critical illness, payout in the event of total permanent disability. Then couple of inbuilt features. First is decent terminal illness benefit and top-up option available as life stage benefit. Please note that this plan does not include zero cost option, which was available with SDFC Click to Protect Super and Max Life Smart Total Elite Protection. Then there is no option to increase your cover with inflation. You can always compare the term plan on Ditto platform to get a clear understanding of best term plan as per your requirement. So this is it for this video. I hope you got a fair idea of what parameters you need to check before deciding your life cover and top 3 term plan in case you're looking for higher cover. If you still need customized help, you can set up a free 30-minute call with Ditto Advisor. The best part of Ditto Insurance is that they provide genuine advice and they don't spam you with multiple calls and SMS. Insurance mis-selling is a major problem in our country that Ditto team is trying to solve. Their Google rating of 4.9 out of around 9,000 reviews itself speak everything about them. It is also backed by Zerodha. In case you want to explore the platform, I provided the link in the pinned comment.